Kani gade ke Pati CTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
National President Jong Kaseng Nationalist People's Party Konrad K Sangma ulajab dak besok yaki election MLA Shteng Samoy napo South Tura constituency dak ba pelem yaki laingot ki kertong ki bele persaya khamtam yu kertong Jong Kaseng Congress Charlotte W Moment bat ya arngot ki kertong Clemseng ba konthop yu John Leslie Sangma bat Ukres Kabel Sangma Uni unang ilam barang ba do Jong Kaseng MPP ulayo hadu khalai hajar nrius pa san pun reward bat tam hadu prahajar sauspa arpway vote yau kertong Kaseng Congress Charlotte Moment ubalayo san hajar arspa life san vote baro da kajing job Jong Konrad K Sangma Jong Kaseng Nationalist People's Party kabayalam ke kanhon sinsar ha kejela kajing bon pa menta ha kanhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalapoi sakalai phundaingon ha kiyeng derbar thau an kejela kabadan nrephongot baro kadba Kaseng Congress kabasong ha kalyang persya kandang yaisa tang arphongot hi.
I'd like to first of all thank the people of South Tura for their support in this election. I would also like to thank all our MDA partners who have really worked very hard, sacrificed and supported me, like Andrew Richard and Madam Agatha Sangma also sacrificed the seat for me. Yes, it has been a good election. I think people of Tura have really put their faith and trust. It's not about me alone, but it's about the government. And they've put the faith in this government and we will do our best to ensure that we take the state forward. We have been working very hard to take the state forward. We have been very committed to the people of the state and our state, and I want to reassure the people that after this particular victory that our commitment is even stronger now, and we will do whatever it takes, and we will work with all our commitment to take the state forward. Yeah. Well, they have misquoted and they have misunderstood what I have my intentions, but at this time I think I would like to appeal to all political parties that now that the election is over, we should all work together. And this is a democracy, and therefore all people, individuals, thoughts matter. And at this point, we would want to call them all. Let's work together to take a step forward. Yeah, it was more or less expected. The turnout was a bit low because it was 73% turnout. That was a part which was something that we thought will be higher. We thought that at least 80-85% turnout will be there. But keeping in mind the percentage of turnout, I think the results are in line with what we expected. So once again, I thank the people of South Tura.
Habapai parchak election Siteng Samoy kabalong hapo Ranikor constituency pan lesi ka khobor hne gasngi ka arpnyo tere unailar lesi kan long gasngi ka ban punbabe yo Martin M Dango da ka jingsha aramno hakani ka election MLA Siteng Samoy hakani ka constituency ka jing khon kralong ka bay kha hapadang kilaingo ki kertong Henry Kurtong Kaseng United Democratic Party ba Pius Marwen ulajab da ka batam lai hajar lai spa kandai pho vote yo MLA barem jongani ka than bolong ru Kurtong Kaseng NPP hakani kenti Martin M Dango kani ka jingjab ba Pius Marwen menta ka United Democratic Party kala kio sya ka prangot ka jingdon ki MLA hapo yeng darbar thawan ki jilla
ba lo devjet jong karang di konstruksi lo devjet yo badango pati UMLA jongi pamsua la kumba sansin te menta kila bentamai te budget no yo ba Pius Marwen kum UMLA bethamai jongi te nagal yang jongang ai kublai ba Pius ma da kajing job ke jongi menta in yo ya ka ban sakri su kampai ya kan konstruksi nagal yang jong badango bat nagal yang jongi milalai stom dak bawan ra ika civil subdivision ten rai nakaliang jogi paiba kila sudai ban kalano yu nong yalam dak pijit thamai no tingim don ni lo jong kata tang bat kitbok ba Pius bodai we na ki samarang ba jong kan dong thany bat ubala yo ban khai uso jong jingjop ha kan ngasi nakangin rakhenya ka bud jongi kai ki bang yo ka generation ban matakam ro kertan kajan dia kadu hi tak bamut bakinong kersan jongi ki ba kersan swakim semla kenrian ka ni ka tim ke jongi na iba danggo tenrei kajing dua mla jo ki wei parti kandidat ban yo bot hakani ka by election ka penlong ingi bangin sa job no haiba pius mar
Kapor daram tak kalau kumno pihak.
na bodaru kahiar tum ka jing don ki polling station gi kham hiar iba pius ila ban ya ka ba hakani ka last election ila kham yo bot bon mentah man compare ya ki polling station wise kay ka ba iba pius iyo ila kham kiu baham ta jangan ke polling station iyo
Dan lo kumta ki baben am himi na kongres.
ngim babe kamdon ke jing babe habang ngilami bat hakatai ka singi ka ba nakaliang jungi ngi pedang ka civil subdivision ba nakaliang jungi ngi parisan yu badango ngiladap kren syai kemat ba ladang gi rem election no badango lele lo dapang lupa da piong ingan na yele election shu tang bangala wara ka civil subdivision kamut bangala hon kemensem namar haka political career ka bahat arpos nem lalongkum nomi kemat jongan ga dong tany kai ka boso anut dai ka civil subdivision tai ka kamram jo badango iladap ban pendap da ka bawan bu ka civil subdivision harani ko na wish ba pius ba ka jing job jung i menta kan wan ra susu ka jing roy bat ki development ki bakam bah susu ya kan konsumsi
nak lenyuan ni kau ni syafi ngaso ben ayu yo blay try kendrat bala ai bala pli yang akan kalat nanti bala ai hidup ini banyak baik etik ya kena collection kabar ai blay nak kamta kinong Christian ibarat pak joko parti kinong Christian baik jongka konsumsi bala ai yang berpenjab yang akan dia keti nadu kinong elam na circle na sun na unit na kisop lit paper kumjuru na kedai kepang namta ki nongilam jong central body nadu ki MLA ki MDA ki minister ki MLA ki MDC barok ki nong tekam jong ka parti ke pasakmat na kalian jong kiru kelas simkhia bakila kithia na ta jonga ngakrem tanyo kerteng dengan ai bebiang sesen kepang nadu i presiden barang ba jongi sekretari yang taparok kinong kikam pemngamban yang sesen lalu ke minister ke MLA bat ke MDC barok kumjuru na kamta MDC jong karanikor iba mansudi nongrem i kompelsi snaitan balon aya ke jingkersan na kamta kapati ke jongi nak kene jonga bise ngai kublai kepang ngai kublai namta kini kandidat kiba niale mentah idan saumut dengan kublai nak kamta jungkiru barok dengan kublai nak kamta kini kipam kersan yang aru ngai kublai nak kamta ke jungkiru bekendiat nak kalian jonga hoj nado kini ke general election ni nak don katakan cicing sang jonga ben nyelek ini election berkuat mungkin lem ya ke election ni nak kamta ka dong kerhan ampok karaniko konsumsi Andre hakato chimla banjob di napre jungi baro ikap ikut bangin yo yang menilai election hakato pas nem ini yo ikri ke election nak kalian jungi Andre tanjung aru nak kalian junga kinong krikam jong ka parti nadu nasarkal baro laki konsumsi baro laki snong baro naki central baro nyila simcha nyila ketia yang nekam kumba PI mentah banyila long sisa banyi poisa habang apa ya kadong katan jong karanikor konsumsi haki apil jonga senam balada bro pada hakani ketiru lese ngami ya kene kakam ben kwa ben kit ya ke kasion jong karanikor patangi phai po karanikor jong konsumsi jungi sibun ki jiduna habaro kiliang lese patangi phai liang ki serok phai liang ke caka sumar phai liang ke umpam umdi phai liang ki kam caka pule putih habun kiliang dari nak kaliang junga kumbang ong haki pepa ngamla ben kular KK namar basibun ki jiduna po karanikor konsumsi ke jungi Henry ke jikular ke jonga endang apoi sakathong rangkat lang bedki ngil trilang nginya weng yak ta kecingye nginya keren nginya wara yak ta kecingye kat kapa nila